All right, folks, buckle up because today we're diving into the chaos and catastrophe brought by the UK's worst storm in a decade, Storm Éowyn. This beast of a storm has been wreaking havoc across the British Isles, and it's been an absolute nightmare. Imagine winds howling at over 100 miles per hour, trees being ripped from the ground like toothpicks, and homes left in complete darkness. The Met Office declared this the strongest storm in at least 10 years, and the devastation is mind-boggling. Let's talk about the tragic loss of life first. Cacper Dudek, just 20 years old, lost his life in County Donegal, Ireland, when a tree fell on his car. The wind was clocked at a staggering 114 miles per hour there. That's like being hit by a freight train. It's heartbreaking and a stark reminder of the storm's sheer power. At its peak, nearly 1 million properties lost power. Picture this, 625,000 properties in Ireland and over 77,000 in the UK, mostly in Northern Ireland, were plunged into darkness. No lights, no heat, and no way to cook food. It's a dire situation, with some areas expected to be without power for up to 10 days. Can you imagine that in the dead of winter? Water supplies were also hit hard. Power loss at treatment plants and pumping stations left several areas in Ireland without water. Schools in Northern Ireland faced significant damage, with 60 of them potentially staying closed well into the next week. Sporting events, including Celtic's football match against Dundee, were called off because of stadium damage. Nothing was spared. Transportation came to a grinding halt. Fallen trees and debris blocked roads, train lines were extensively damaged, and flights at Edinburgh and Glasgow airports were disrupted. Even ferries were cancelled. It was utter chaos. Eyewitnesses have described scenes straight out of a disaster movie. Mark Jones from Coldingham, Scottish borders, said it felt like an earthquake, watching his carport being lifted and thrown by the wind. And Liam Downs from Cardross, Firth of Clyde, saw around 10 trees fall within 10 minutes while driving. Waves crashed onto the road, pushing his van onto the curb. This wasn't just a storm, it was a full-blown terror. As of this morning, Éowyn has moved into the North Sea, but the danger isn't over yet. Winds are easing, but heavy showers, snow and squally winds are still expected in Northern Ireland, Western England and Wales throughout the weekend. Coastal areas and hills can expect gales, and yellow warnings for wind and rain remain in place. To everyone affected, stay strong and stay safe. Follow local advisories, and let's all hope for a swift recovery. This storm will be remembered for years to come. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you're in the affected areas, please take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. See you next time.